I mean, the world knows our situation, which is the reason why those who really are concerned about what's going on in this country, look, there are attempts by interests to take over huge territory, part of Nigeria, part of Chad, part of Cameroon, part of Niger, and turn it into the global headquarters of terror. Those in the intelligence circles know this. I'm saying this publicly now. A lot of people know this. We must never allow that kind of thing to happen. We don't want to live under ISWA. We don't want to live under Boko Haram. We don't want to live under Lukurawa.
Is Bola Ahmed Tinubu secretly sponsoring the Islamization of Nigeria? If you are just hearing me talking about the Islamization of Nigeria, I'm talking about Boko Haram's contents in their handbooks. Their mission is to Islamize Nigeria, to overthrow the Nigerian government, implement what they call the Islamic Caliphate in Nigeria, which will be governed by Sharia law. So all these terrorists you are seeing in Nigeria, that is their mission statement. So it's not hidden. You can go and check it. Now, is Tinubu secretly sponsoring this Islamization in Nigeria? Or is Tinubu secretly admiring what these people are doing? Anyway, let us understand why I'm asking this important question this evening. Now, I want to give kudos to Fani Kayode. You see, I am not a fan of Fani Kayode. Okay? I have nothing in common with him. I'm not his fan. I have never had a communication like talk to him. Okay? The only time I wanted to talk to him was 2017, 2016, 2017. Those days when he was like the voice that is always talking about injustice in Nigeria. Then that was when I wanted to talk to him. But you see, why am I saying kudos to Fani Kayode? He is the only man in APC, today's APC, that stood out, that has warned Tinubu, warning APC about what so many Muslims are doing, especially that Jingiri statement saying that Christians are infidel. Now, Fani Kayode have posted a lot of articles, epistles, warning Tinubu that this thing that you people have not condemned, it is going to cost you a lot. Recently, that is 3 hours ago. Okay, 3 hours ago from now. This is 6:54 p.m. 3 hours ago, he posted something again on Facebook. And this is part of what he posted. I cannot be Jingeri's footmat or football just because I'm a Christian or because I'm in APC and I support President Tinubu and Vice President Shetima, and neither have either of the two, or the party asked me or expected me to be one. Let me make it clear, and I speak for millions, with those few words spoken at that public event, which was televised before millions of Nigerians and members of the international community. Jingiri has done more harm to the Muslim tickets that he claimed to support, but is secretly trying to destroy than anything and anyone else. Outside of that, he will live to eat his words. Rue the day for referring to Christians as infidel. So this thing continues. There are a lot of things he wrote, but I just pick this one out. So that is his post he titled "The Gospel According to Sheikh Jingiri." So you can go and read it. So I'm saying kudos to him because few months ago, Fani Kayode is saying that no discrimination in Nigeria, nothing, when the issue of Christian genocide was heating up then. So I saw what he was saying then, but now he's talking about different thing entirely. So let us close this chapter, because this video is not about Fani Kayode. It's about is Tinubu sponsoring the Islamization of Nigeria. Now, here is my own personal answer to this. In my opinion, I believe capital yes. Tinubu is supporting this system of Islamizing Nigeria. This man called Sheikh Jingiri is Tinubu's ally. Like, these people are paddies. They do things in common. He has visited Tinubu. He continued to visit Tinubu. The news broke that after this man has made this statement, he has secretly visited Tinubu since then. I don't know how true is it. I did not see their picture. But seeing this relationship between him and Tinubu, I've seen his picture between him and Tinubu, right? Seeing their relationship is enough for Tinubu to quickly run to television through his Bayo Nanoga or Dinebuanda that are always quick to attack anybody. To run to the television to say, we condemn the cursing of Christians in Nigeria. We condemn the statement calling Christians infidel. And we also condemn Jigri saying that Christians are minority, that Nigeria is a Muslim country. When we have the data and the statistics that Christians are bigger in numbers than Muslims, they did not do it up to today. What will make Tinubu and presidency not to have condemned what this man said if they are not in support to it? They endorse it. Tinubu endorsed the calling of Christians infidel. Tinubu endorse it. Nuhu Ribadu endorse it. All these people, they endorse it. Including Christopher Musa has never come out to condemn the statement this man made. Whether these people understand insecurity in Nigeria, I don't know. You see the statement that man made. It is a power button for the terrorists to carry out more attacks. A terrorist that came out to say that my mission is to Islamize Nigeria. Seeing someone who is very close to Tinubu saying that Nigeria is a Muslim country. If you don't want to leave, go. If you don't want to accept the fact, leave Nigeria. That is what the terrorists are saying. Convert or die. Convert to Islam or die. Nigeria belongs to us. We will Islamize Nigeria. That is what the terrorists are saying every day. The man went forward to say that the reason why he's supporting Tinubu is that he will always support people who are contributing money to convert Christians in America to Muslim. That is a heavy statement. I have been trying to dig deep into this statement. I am digging more deeper into this statement. He's allegedly saying that Tinubu is contributing money for the Islamization of America. I want you to go and listen to that video. The man made that statement that he will never support anyone apart from people who are contributing money for the Islamization of America. The video is also on the internet. Let me tell you how you will see what the man said very well. Go to Sarara TV. You know they put short clip of the video. Look at the ending of the video posted by Sarara TV on YouTube. That is what the man said at the ending of before they cut it. That is the statement the man made. The man is just telling the world that Tinubu is allegedly sponsoring the Islamization in America. Then, if Tinubu can sponsor the Islamization in America, according to this man, not me, go and watch it. Then, how far his country, where he is the president? Have you seen why he did not condemn it? Did Tinubu condemn the death of Deborah? Are they condemning these terrorist attacks by all these people who are promoting Sharia? Then, what do you people call insecurity? What are you fighting for? Why are soldiers in the bushes? Seriously asking, why are you sending soldiers to the bushes? If you can't apprehend people who are sponsoring them, what are soldiers doing in the bushes? Now, to cut all the whole story short, because I asked a question, is Tinubu sponsoring the Islamization of Nigeria? Someone who formed Boko Haram, who created Boko Haram, sponsoring Boko Haram, who was arrested because he was sponsoring Boko Haram in Cameroon. He is warming up to be one of the spokesperson in this Tinubu campaign comes 2027. He has started that. I'm talking about Ali Modu Sheriff, the former governor of Borno State. I want you to pay attention to details. The leader, number one leader of the terrorists in Nigeria is the person who formed it. He is now warming up for Tinubu's campaign. He's the one that handed over to Kassim Shettima, who is a political boy to him, who is your vice president today. And don't forget the terrorist that was hiding in Kassim Shettima's house, Kabiru Sokoto. If they explain Nigeria to you. Now, to cut all the whole story short, why do they import terrorists into Nigeria in the year 2014-2015 to remove Jonathan? Why? Why do they import these terrorists? And this is a coalition that Tinubu was leading. They imported terrorists. Is Tinubu sponsoring the Islamization of Nigeria? Now, another one I'm going to tell you. You know, this is going to be more deeper than you think. There is now a Ministry of the Livestock. They said the Ministry of the Livestock is to contain the activities of all these farmers' headers clash, as they used to put it. that they want to put all these cattle in different places. They choose Abuja, they choose Plateau, they choose Benue. They choose everywhere that Fulanis are killing people. I mean, all these terrorists are killing people. That is where they choose. Benue people will reject it. They have rejected it before. So they call it ranching in a Ruga form. What Buhari wanted to do is what Tinubu still want to do now. I'm just asking because, this is logic, simple to understand. That someone stood and cursed the whole Christian in Nigeria. The president is his friend, and president could not contain it. Tinubu, your silence is a great sponsor of all these things. Not even all these things I'm mentioning, but your silence proves otherwise. Like Atiku, who supported the killing of Deborah, because Atiku tweeted that she condemned the killing of Deborah, and Atiku was asked to remove the tweet. He removed it. He said he did not authorize it, meaning if you did not authorize what the person wrote, you are in support of it. You are in support of it. Then where is the one Nigeria? Where is the one Nigeria? Oh my goodness. See you on my next video.